guys, welcome to my video. We make 2 videos daily, so this is our second video of the day. We're playing Beast Swarm Simulator. This is my second time playing the Beast Swarm Simulator. Okay, that's a lie. It's like your fifth. I don't even know. So, what is this game about again? Okay. And if you haven't checked out our last video, it's gonna be in the out card. It's just we didn't have any videos last video, so we didn't have anything to post in the outro, aka the out card. But now we have something to post at least, which is this video on there, I guess. So yeah, I used to have a YouTube channel, but it didn't really go so well. Okay, that's kind of funny, Jaden. We will do a face reveal once we get 100 subs, or maybe even 500. We don't know yet. And if you're thinking, yes, we are little kids. That's why we sound like this. Ooh, my stubborn being leveled up. Yay! I don't even know which bee that is. I don't even know what bee that is. Oof, that's gonna be done in a while. We gotta go to regular hive. Make honey. Let's go make that honey. All this stuff was from Jaden the Dog Meat. I did that one yesterday. So, this is all that honey. It's our first, these are like our first 2 videos. We might post 5 for this week. For like a day. Because it's our first time playing. Ooh, I got honey. Oh, and just saying, this is one of his favorite days, so yeah. Don't forget, Jaden the Guide. Always remember this. Never die from internet connection to piggy like you did last video. Oh, and guys, that only happened was because our Wi-Fi turned off for a second. For his Wi-Fi is not really like the good Wi-Fi we have. I have the good Wi-Fi. So that's why he died as soon as he was about to turn it on. Okay, let's see. I have 8,000 honey. Let's see what I can get. I don't even know what I can get. Cool. Ooh, cool. How much honey on that in total? Okay, that's a regular. Is there other eggs in this game? How do you check if there's other eggs in this game? Or do you have to start off with the basic? How do you get that? got a basic 8. Let's see. Make honey. Yeah, but cringy videos are the most hated, so we're not trying to be too cringe. Might make a little jokes in between, but like, just saying if you cringe, just tell us and we'll probably stop doing those. Okay? What happened? These are things that sting you. So if you want a face reveal, get this video to 500 likes. If we can do 1,000, that would be great. And 100 or 50 subs, or 500 maybe, for a face reveal. Like a little video about like us soon when we get the face reveal out. So far that's about it. So I'm not really sure why he likes what's it called, Bee Swarm Simulator. It's not really like that fun. You just really get honey. Sorry for y'all that are the fans of Bee Swarm Simulator. I'm just not a huge fan of it. I rather prefer Bubblegum Simulator. That's more of my style. Sorry if I offended y'all. Anyway. My brother wants me to leave the game, so we might actually be doing a 2-game in 1 video. So, yeah. So, now let's do a real quick game of Piggy if you want. Maybe we can play some other games. There's some other games that we play.
Oh my god, what's that dance off game? Put your god on it.
Okay, well let's play. Well, let's just play Bubblegum Simulator, maybe Piggy.
Bye baby, bye baby.
Let's play a map of Piggy before we end the video. So yeah.
I bet I could beat it because I'm just big on it.
Come on, join me in a game of Piggy.
Because I played it before.
Should we do the custom maps or the Okay. So yeah, guys, I used to have 2 custom maps, but my other one got deleted somehow. It was like one of those glitches that one of those famous YouTubers made. So slot 1 and bombing. Once y'all friend me, y'all know when to play the game because I'm always going to be playing this with my brother. Did you grab the green key? I forgot that was even a key. Might as well grab the, you know what, the fire extinguisher for max ammo. So you have to try to help us win. Tell me in the comments if your username on Roblox so I can check out your map maybe. You don't have to, it would be a pleasure to check out your maps. Fudge. Dang it, I'm dead. GG. Oh my god. Piggy, it's trash. I know, guys, it's just a bot Piggy. Soon, once we get like so many people in the server, because once we get 1,000 subs, we're gonna do like something cool, something special for y'all. Maybe y'all get to we get to join everyone's map in a live stream. Maybe we can do a live stream where we can join everyone's map. Oh my god, Piggy was an inch away from me.
I should have told them to flip that today. Well, I didn't make
But yeah, when we first ever played this map, Piggy, we knocked down Piggy, and then all of a sudden he's respawned. But not like respawn, but like he fell down the stairs and almost killed him. And that's my map for today.
Whoa, why do I have my hammer out? My name's so glitched.
What do y'all rate the map? Leave it in the comments below. And right now we're gonna try out Jaden the God Eats. We're only gonna call ourselves the real name once we do the face reveal. I'm just gonna give y'all a hint, and it starts with a G and ends with an N. Okay, that's a weird thing to say. This is his name. My name's Dapper from Roblox. Go check it out on his channel, which I will try to put in the link in the description below. Okay?
Whoa, wait. How long was it? 5 minutes late. Oh, I got a glitch.
Lol. So don't forget. Remember that glitch, guys. Remember that glitch on his map. Okay, I'll get the fire extinguisher.
Oh, I want to start with that glitch. You still do it. Oh, you still do it.
Come on, go. He mostly does all the work, by the way, guys. So don't think I'm lazy. It's because I like shooting Piggy. Because Piggy always attacks us for some reason first. I don't know why, it's just weird. It's like one of Piggy's hobbies. Let's go. I knocked out Piggy. Okay, guys. Let's go. What do you rate Jaden the God Yeet map?
Mom, I'm so scared of this.
Again, tell us in the description. But tell us in the comments. Why does it do that? If any of y'all are like a famous YouTuber, like No Mini Tune or something, can you tell them to like fix it and also add corners for the stuff? Because it's really annoying how people can just like slide through it because it really messes up our whole map. So if any of y'all are like No Mini Tune or in some way, or if like friends with him, let's say, can you tell us?
I'm stuck. I'm really stuck in his eye.
Okay, and this is Jaden the God Eats second map. You see what I mean, guys, about the corners? Because this is what happens when it's the corners like don't match.
No, I'm really
You have to
stuck
put in
so
invisible
bad
blocks.
I can't get out.
So start the game.
I can't. Really,
Yeah.
You're supposed to go in the room.
But then, guys, once we get more Robux, we probably actually might do a giveaway for maybe in a live stream, right?
We can't do giveaways. We have to.
Like when we're like famous, not like now. Right now we're not super famous, guys. Once we get like 10K subscribers, let's say, right? Then we'll do a giveaway. Because we need help and support from y'all, so we can do the giveaway. Without the help and support, we can do nothing. I'll go back to it. Oh, okay, come on. And just saying, guys, you revealed my name. Oopsie. So yeah, now I don't know my name. If you go to this video, I might actually not want to link it in the description below now because of the whole, act of pigginess. Piggy virus. Piggy started the corona. Piggy, thank you, corona, Piggy.
Piggy glitch.
Oh shoot! Piggy almost killed me. I forgot Piggy spawns there. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Leave a like, drop a sub if y'all want, and I will see y'all next time.